Hi, I'm Angie Tonini-Rogers. I'm with Homepage Realty, and today I'm here with Mary Godbey, who is with Derby City Appliance Parts, and I cannot wait to share with you all about her business and how she impacts the community. Mary, how are you?
I'm fantastic.
So tell us a little bit about where you are from.
I'm originally from Louisville. I was raised in Pennsylvania and came back when I was a senior in high school, and after that I met my husband, had a couple kids, and got into the parts business.
And tell us a little bit about why you decided to open up a parts business.
I had worked for other parts companies and learned so much from the owners. And I knew that if I was going to make a statement, I had to own my own place. I had to be the one calling the shots. When I had the opportunity, I bought into this business 27 years ago. I have just enjoyed every moment of it. For the most part, our customers are very thankful for our knowledge. They enjoy the way they can come here and say, what's my problem? And we can try to help them.
Let's talk about your other son, and let's talk about your community impact that's really important to you.
Okay. My son was in the military for 23 years. I get a little emotional because he was so dedicated. He's lost now without it, but he's doing fine. But while he was in the military, I had an opportunity to get involved with Cell Phones for Soldiers. It's a program where they take cell phones and recycle every piece in them for money. And then they buy phone cards and they send them to the soldiers who are deployed. And a lot of times these guys, you know, they're just young kids and they don't have a cell phone, or they don't have the money to use the cell phone. Well, this gives them a chance to communicate with their families. I also am a member of the American Legion post out in J-Town. It's the G.I. Joe post. And we do a lot of community service. I try to, everything that they do, I bring here to the store. We collect toys for tots. They collect bottle caps to make park benches, coupons to send to soldiers overseas.
So let's get back to talking a little bit about who is your ideal customer here at Derby City Appliance Parts. Who walks in your shop and how do you help?
My ideal customer is the guy who knows what he's doing. But my typical customer is a customer who has bought this fancy appliance that does everything but sing to you, and he knows he wants to try to fix it. That's the one that makes it the most fun. The apartment guys, they know exactly what they need, and they can be fun, and we have a good laugh, you know, as much as possible with these guys. We want to try to make this as much fun as possible.
Tell me one of the oddest things that you can remember that a customer has requested from you.
Well, years ago, we just had the Taylor Blvd store, and it was a big store. And this little old lady come in, and she looked around. I said, can I help you? And she said, no, I'm just looking. So she looked for about 30 minutes. And I finally said, is there something I can show you? And she said, so where are your birthday cards? Oh. I have never forgotten her.
Oh, that's so cute.
We do get strange appliances. You know, these people buy stuff overseas and they bring it here, and then they wonder why you can't get a part for it, you know. But.
Okay, Mary, this has been really helpful to get to know what you do here at Derby City Appliance Parts. Is there anything else you would love for people to know about you, your business, your family, anything else that's important?
I love this city, and I absolutely love what I do. It is such a challenge. It is, and it can be so rewarding. The neatest thing that happens is occasionally somebody will either bring you a card and tell you how much they appreciated what you did.
When your life is over and you leave this earth, what do you want to be remembered by? How do you want to be remembered?
I want to be remembered as a kind, understanding person. I don't care whatever else they say about me. I just want them to be able to say, she was kind to me. She took time with me. She cared.
Well, Mary, thank you so much for having us here today. I've been so excited to learn all about Derby City Appliance Parts and how you serve people in the community. So thank you for having me. I'm Angie Tonini-Rogers with Homepage Realty. Please, if you need anything at all related with appliance parts, please come visit Derby City Appliance Parts, and she will serve you to the best of her ability. We will see you soon.